What's up, people? Welcome once again to another Tango with Jackson reaction. So this time we're going to react to part 51. So let's check this out. It's only a week or a few days already. So
yeah.
Halo guys, kembali lagi bersama Tango dan pasukan boneka di konten Omni TV. Iya Mas Tinggo, kita samaan tokoinya. Iya samaan aja ya. Iya jadi kita makin lucu Mas Tinggo. Aku anang lucu. Kalau Jojo mah boleh lucu. Nah lu Teng, kenapa gue? Lu kaki toki kayak mafia galak karung. Mana ada mafia galak karung Randy? Sebelum mulai nonton, jangan lupa apa Jo? Jangan lupa untuk subscribe dan nyalain lonceng notifikasinya biar tahu video-video terbaru dari kita. Dan jangan lupa untuk follow akun Instagram @tenggoicaksono biar tahu keseharian kita ya Teng ya. Betul. Ya udah kalau gitu langsung masuk ke videonya. Yuhu. And the beauty of it all shining through.
Oh my god, this is making me so happy because I was so tired, but this is like giving me energy kinda.
Give me something more, please.
Yeah, please.
Oh, you want some energy from me? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna sing a song for you. Wait.
Okay. Wait. Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Oh, I thought so already. Selamat makan.
How could you know? There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now.
Typical Dutch.
Okay, that's it.
No! Please continue.
Okay. No. Okay. I will play again, but I will use karaoke because I'm not good in play guitar.
No, that's fine.
By the way, what is your name?
My name is Rachel.
Rachel.
Yeah.
And you?
And I'm Luna.
Luna.
I'm Luna.
Oh, Luna,
Yes.
like a moon.
that's
That's great. Okay. By the way, how old are you guys?
I'm 20, but almost 21.
Oh, when?
December 1st.
I'm on
Today.
11.
Oh, really?
We're Sagittarius.
oh yeah.
Oh my god! You know about astrology? That's so cool. I love astrology.
And how about you?
Luna.
I'm 22.
Oh, you're 22. Okay. Can
She's a
you get...
Leo.
Oh, Leo. Oh,
Yeah, so
nice.
she's a fire sign. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna sing this for you.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you like it.
Yeah.
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I would offer you a warm embrace to
We all know
make
that
you
here.
feel my love. When evening shadows and the stars, and there is no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet.
So cool.
Good, I will never do you wrong.
Wat een voor kijken.
I know it from the moment
Is that Mama?
Nee, ze is niet.
no doubt in my mind where you belong. Thank you.
That was such a surprise. nice.
Oh, yeah, thank you, honey.
Are we like in a TV program or something?
SpongeBob.
What is your name?
Oh, that's good. Oh, my name is Randy, honey. And my little brother's name, come here. Hi, my name is Jojo.
For how long have you been doing this?
It's been 4 years.
That's great. You're doing great.
Yeah, you must have practiced a lot.
Yeah, you know what, honey. Good. I hate with this man. I'm gonna leave you, Tango, and then I will join with Rachel and the gang.
It's not the gang.
You can easily make joke.
Come
For
to
sure,
the
maybe
Netherlands.
will.
That's
Okay.
fine.
Yeah, you're welcome here.
No, wait. You're only welcome when you know the rest of our names. You can't say Rachel and the gang.
Okay. Oh, wait. I forgot your name, honey.
Yeah, I thought so.
Your name is... Wait. Inma?
Inwa.
Inma? Why you said Inma? His name not Inma.
I mean, in my heart. I know your name, honey. Your name is Luna.
We have a third sister.
Yeah, her name is
Yeah, they're
Lotta.
all sisters.
Can I see
Lotta, that's
her,
really bad.
please?
Mhm.
Honey, come to Kakwa, honey.
That's your girlfriend.
Is it in Netherlands or is it on heaven?
I hope Tango will keep doing in Netherlands. We would surely meet him.
It's more difficult right now to choose, Tango.
Randy, calm down.
You can share.
Share with who?
Share with your friend right there.
Tango.
He? No, of course not.
You're mean.
Yeah, as you can see, Tango is ugly. Lotte, how old are you, Lotte?
I'm 20.
But you don't look like a 20.
Oh, do I look older?
You look like mine.
For the last, can you help me? When Randy
Ada buat
Randy
recording.
say the first line, you just say "Cakebang." Like that.
The 18 letter in alphabet is R. I love just the way you are. Thank you so much, my angels from Netherlands.
So guys, thank you so much for tonight.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I will tell you when the video get uploaded, okay?
Okay.
Really?
It was
Okay.
nice to meeting you guys.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, good night.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Wah, cantik-cantik banget ya, Jo. Iya, Bang. Kalau buat gue, mereka itu 1, 2, 3, Jo. Hah? 1, 2, 3 apaan, Bang? Soalnya sayang semuanya. Menurut aku, Agang juga 1, 2, 3, Gang. Soalnya dalam hitungan ketiga, Agang bakal pergi meninggalkan kita semua.
Hai. Oh, memang selalu bangun jam segini ya? Wow, aku teriak nih. Bu, ini anaknya Bu, main ombak TV Bu.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Tango.
I'm great. I'm drinking water.
Ah, nice. Where are you from?
Me?
Uh-huh.
I'm from Indonesia.
Oh, Indonesia.
So are you some kind of YouTuber or something?
Uh-huh.
Oh, sorry, I don't know that. I rarely watch YouTube.
And that's okay. That's okay.
Yeah. 한국 사람?
I'm not from Korea.
I thought you were from Korea because you look like Korean.
How do you think?
It's
I'm from?
between Korean, Japan, Thailand, or Philippines.
What
Really?
about Indonesia?
Yeah, between those countries. Because I've seen men from those countries similar to you.
Okay. Yeah.
So where exactly you come from?
Exactly, I'm from Korea, but my mom is from Thailand.
Oh yeah, Thailand.
But my friends are from Indonesia.
Oh no.
Oh,
Yeah,
You make it
I have a lot of
complicated.
friends from Indonesia, and my friends are here too.
in your studio?
Right.
You stay in Korea right now?
Yeah. So, do you
Yeah.
wanna meet my Indonesian friends?
Sure, if they're mine.
Yeah. Hey, come here, bro. Come here.
If they're
What's
mine.
up, Tingo?
Oh hi! Oh my god! Hi!
I love that stuff in your hair.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm about getting sleep, so I'm put here in order to protect my bangs.
Hey, by the way, what is your name?
My name is Livy. Start from L.
Livy? I think your full name is Living with Me.
What? That's great. Oh my god. I'm afraid my cheek gone bad.
Hey, Livy, like I told you, my
Yeah.
friend Randy is from Indonesia.
He really can speak Indonesia.
Yeah, of course, because I'm Indonesian.
Lu asalnya dari mana, Randy?
Gue asalnya dari Jakarta.
Buset ngapak.
Lah, lu kenapa kecinta?
Eta bujuk.
Dah senyumnya, aduh, bikin gue gemeteran.
Eta bujuk. Dari tadi gue mikir ya ngomong ya. Tau gitu mah ceplas-ceplas aja ya.
Lah, gue orang Indonesia, dia yang orang Korea, Neng.
Aduh kram ya Allah.
Dia nggak ngerti bahasa Korea, Neng. Dia nggak ngerti bahasa Indonesia, Neng.
Ibu tahu deh tadi dia pelangap-pelongo cuy.
Makanya nih kita ngomong dia bingung nih.
Gua aja dia pelangap-pelongo.
Engang dasarnya dia on, Neng.
Gimana orang bule mah kagak ngerti ya ngapa.
Iya nih, asal lu tahu, gue udah kesel banget sama dia, Neng. Ya ampun.
Udah diemin aja deh, yang penting makanan bule.
Kalau bisa lu tinggal di mana sih, Livy? Ya ampun.
Aduh ya Allah. Gue pokoknya rawa belum dah situ deh.
Oh, lu serius
She
Ciro?
is funny though.
Itu kangkung gue, Neng.
Memang dekat 5 langkah dari rumah.
Eta bujuk.
Ya ampun.
Ya ilah.
Lu tahu Pitung? Tahu Pitung?
Tahu pitungnya begini.
Gue nggak tahu.
Gimana? Udah ngerti ditabok lah.
Kok lu ngerti sih, Cengko?
I'm sorry, I don't know, Randy. You always said like nggak tahu.
Can I buy you something, Livy?
What was it? Apa tuh?
Gimana kalau kan hari ini ngalong minggu nih?
Iya.
Kamu orang Ragulang kan?
Iya.
Gimana kalau kita makan kancong?
Waduh, pancong lah, anjir tahu pancong dia.
Lah dikata gue orang Ragulang asli, Neng. Nanti lu gajak makan kancong, lu duduk manis-manis anteng-anteng, gue goin kenggang biar makin so sweet. Kenggangnya kenggang 7 ruka. Yang ungkung guguran lu ngasih wangi, Neng.
Aduh kocak. Bentar nih kram nih. Ini nggak turun. Sumpah puyeng-puyeng jawab ini dan ternyata
So far, I really love this part 51 from the very beginning. It goes so
Definitely.
smooth, and all the people that they meet has a lot of humor from the Netherlands. Of course, the Indonesian isn't be quiet, and the Tango was shouting.
Cool.
Like,
This
wow,
one is-
why is she's still awake at the moment? And wow, I like this humor.
orang belum. Namanya tinggal di sono ya.
Udah Randy, lu duduk Randy.
Oh, lu udah bisa bahasa Indonesia, Deng.
Udah.
Lalu
Udah selesai. Actingnya udah selesai.
Maafin gue ya, Deng ya.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Oke deh Livi ya. Makasih banyak ya. Salam kenal ya.
Thank you ya. Iya, salam kenal ya.
Sehat-sehat.
Selalu ya.
Amin.
Iya.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Akhirnya Ren lu dapet cewek orang roblong juga.
Makanya, Ceng, semuanya jadi murah, Ceng, sekarang. Lagi kuliah juga nanti roti goya sama janur kuningnya kan jadi free ongkir. Wah, sekaki nggak bisa aja.
Ren, lu dulu sekolah kagak sih Ren?
Ya sekolah lah, Ceng, enak aja lu. Kata gue kagak sekolah.
Enggak, ini gue nanya. Dulu waktu lu sekolah, guru favorit lu siapa Ren?
Guru favorit gue itu guru olahraga, Ceng. Kalau lu, Ceng?
Kalau guru favorit gue tuh guru MTK. Karena dari awal yang gue nggak ngerti sampai sekarang gue jadi ngerti MTK Ren. BTW lu tahu nggak kemarin tuh hari apaan Ren?
Tahu dong, Ceng, kemarin hari guru kan.
Betul. Jadi hari ini gue mau ngucapin untuk seluruh guru yang ada di Indonesia. Terima kasih telah sabar membimbing kita, terus membagi ilmunya, dan juga terus semangat untuk mencerdaskan bangsa.
Terima kasih ya semua kakak-kakak ibu guru, terutama ibu guru yang cantik-cantik.
Yang bapak guru?
Aduh, masih gak sih, Ceng.
Ini kan guru juga, lu gimana sih Ren?
Pokoknya saya mau ngucapin terima kasih untuk seluruh guru yang ada di Indonesia.
BTW, kasihan juga ya Ren guru lu.
Kenapa, Ceng?
Yang ngadepin murid kayak lu no, unyang-unyangnya 20. Pasti bengal banget tuh.
Enak aja lu.
안녕하세요.
Oh, annyeonghaseyo.
I'm sorry. I'm not speaking Korea Selatan.
Oh, you cannot speak Korea. That's okay. I can speak English.
사랑해요.
사랑해요. udah. Hi.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good. Oh, I love your hair.
Oh, thank you. Your oh my gosh, your English is so good.
Thanks.
Oh my god. Wow. Are you a teacher?
No, I'm not. I'm not a teacher.
Okay.
Do I look like a teacher? Okay.
Yeah.
Google.
Okay. You're from Slovakia.
Yeah, do you know where is it?
I don't know where is it, but I know Slovakia. So,
Yeah.
what is your name?
My name is Paula.
Paula.
Yeah.
That's nice name.
Oh, thank you. And yours?
Tango.
Tango.
Yeah. So, what are you doing in daily?
I'm studying
Mm-hmm.
at a high school. In a high school,
Mm-hmm.
medicine high school. You know, a medicine high school is so hard.
Oh, you are in medicine high school?
Yes, and it's
That's
really hard.
Uh-huh. So it's like how to become a doctor.
Yes, but I don't want to be doctor.
What do you wanna be?
I want to be maybe a model
It's like Joko's joke.
because I'm so tall and you know.
Yeah.
Why do you study
I
medicine?
can see. Maybe.
This is like Joko. We see if she's going to say, you know how Joko. I think everyone knows Joko, the comedian, the American Filipino comedian. He joke about Filipino mother, what they like to do with their kids. It was a culture that you are a nurse, a teacher,
Architect.
engineer.
That's it.
That's it. So
Follow.
Follow.
Model is not a part of it.
let's see.
You can teach my friend how to become a model
Huh?
because my friends wanna go to modeling too. Hey,
So
come here. What can I learn about the modeling from my friend? She's here.
so you.
Oh my god!
Angel Basis.
What is your name?
My name is Paula.
What? Kaula?
Paula.
Oh, that's beautiful name. And my name is Randy Kaula. But you can call me Honey if you want.
Okay. Honey.
Oh my god! I think right now I don't wanna be a model.
You told that you wanna be model, Randy.
From right now, after I saw you, I wanna be your boyfriend.
Oh, you're so cute.
Tango said that he love your hair, right?
Yeah? Why?
But I don't love with your hair, Kaula.
Why, Randy?
Because I just love you.
I'll see forever in your life.
After this, do you have any time for boyfriend things like me?
Okay, maybe.
Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Like,
Oh, maybe you can sing a song for Paula?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Kaula, I can sing for you.
You have a request song, Paula?
Do you know Ariana Grande?
Do you know My Everything?
Yeah.
I cry enough tears to see my own reflection in them. And then it was clear, I can't deny I really miss her. To think that I was wrong, I guess you don't know what you got till it's gone. Can it's just a consequence of love. I'm saying sorry for the sake of us. She wasn't our everything till we were nothing. And it's taking me a lot to say. But now that she's gone, my heart is missing something. So it's time to push my pride away. Just you are my everything. You are my everything.
Thank you.
You look woo.
What's going on?
OMG!
Is that any problem?
Voice is so beautiful. Oh my!
Oh, thank you,
You
Kaula.
can be singer. Oh my god!
Me?
Wow!
Oh, wait. I don't wanna be a singer. No. Oh, so what do you wanna become? I wanna become your husband. You always say to all girls, no. He is a playboy, Kaula. So, Kaula, can I ask you something?
Yes, of course you can.
Have you ever heard about dragon?
Yeah, dragon. I'm not.
Oh, but do you believe with dragon? Yeah, I know dragon is not real, but my love for you is real. So, can you help me, Kaula?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so Paula, when Randy say the first line, you just say "cakep bang."
Jacky Bank?
Like that.
You are so kind, and you love kueku too.
Jacky Bank?
You're just not only mine, but you are my everything too.
Right now.
Smooth.
I'm so shy, you know.
That's okay, I know.
Oh my god.
But you don't have to be shy. As long as I'm with you, honey.
Really?
Yeah, you don't have to be shy.
Oh my god, thank you so much, Paula.
Me too, thank you for your time. OMG, you're so gorgeous. Oh my god.
I will tell you when the video get uploaded, okay?
I will watch.
You have to.
Goodbye.
Have a good night, Paula.
You too. And I love you. Bye.
Gimana ting cewek gue yang gue
Ya cantik lah, Ren, cocok sama lu.
Selain dia ini calon model, dia juga calon ibu dari anak-anak gue nanti, Teng. Alah, mana mau cewek cantik kau lah nikah sama gelut sawah. Gang, Abang Randy punya cita-cita gak sih, Gang? Ada, Jo. Apaan, Gang? Cita-cita Abang tuh pengen jadi bermanfaat buat orang banyak, Jo. Hah? Yang bener, Gang? Iya bener, Gang. Kenapa, Jo? Masalahnya, Abang kan gak bermanfaat. Cenderung nyusahin. Bocah lu.
Terima kasih buat teman-teman yang udah nonton kita kali ini.
Jangan lupa untuk like, comment, subscribe, dan share. Biar kita semua semangat terus bikin konten ya, Teng Jo.
Betul. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.
Dan
This was a lovely episode.
Yeah.
Part 51.
Yeah.
Awesome ladies to meet. I love the conversation. It's Netherlands, Indonesia, Slovakia.
Yeah,
Wow.
and I must say it's over time, if you look at the episodes before, he's getting better and better and better and better. It's
And they're confident
more
as
original,
well.
yeah. It's really, really nice.
All right, guys. So we're gonna say very loud, cha.
Yeah.
Yes, track. All right. So thank you. See you soon. I hope to check you very soon. Bye bye.
Dadah.